The majority of our work consists of bathroom and kitchen renovations. Most of the time they're full gut renos where all the plumbing is replaced back to the stacks and risers. Sometimes the renovations are minor and only require new water lines but keep the existing drains and vents. That was the case in this New York City kitchen. The only reason the water lines have to get replaced though is because it's a co-op requirement. This is a co-op building where all the rules are written from a board of directors and that board decides how your renovation will basically go. It's not because the clients want new plumbing like they actually care what goes on inside the walls all of a sudden. They just like pretty things, bro. You know, new cabinets, shiny appliances, sparkly toilets, shit like that, shit that can be seen. If it's not visible though, then you get the if it ain't broke don't fix it mentality. So thank God for co-ops for keeping us busy. Although that's not their intention to keep the trades in business, all they're actually doing is protecting their asses and their apartments because all the co-ops board members live in the building, so they're just looking out for themselves. But yo, I'm not complaining, broski. I'm just glad to be caught up in the middle of this bureaucratic system.